Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Monday, June 13th. It is the 164th day of the year. There are 201 days left. Happy National Weed Your Garden Day.
National Weed Your Garden Day on June 13th each year serves as a reminder to all gardeners to take an extra 5 or 10 minutes while weeding their gardens. One of the best gardening tips is to stay in control of your garden. Unfortunately, weeds grow fast, very fast. With inattention, they can soon become overwhelming. Giving daily attention to your garden makes it easier to maintain. Weeding 5 or 10 minutes each day will make the job seem bearable. It might even be enjoyable. This way, you will be in control and the weeds will not. Excessive and unwanted weeds will crowd out plant roots and steal the nutrients that are needed for the plants to grow nice and healthy. Take time to weed your garden and celebrate today. Today is also National Kitchen Klutzes of America Day, National Sewing Machine Day, Random Acts of Light Day, and World Softball Day. It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. All of our shoutouts today happen on the East Coast, so we're going to zoom in a little bit to get closer. Our first shoutout is Mrs. Ackerler and everyone in her 4th grade class at PS 212 at Jackson Heights, New York. Second up is Mr. Rob and everyone in the Adult Transition Program at ESCNJ Adult Community Services in Piscataway, New Jersey. Our third shout out goes out to Ms. Hesling, Mr. Moore, Mrs. Benton, and Ms. Molly and everyone in the Integration A Program Top 10 at William Penn High School in New Castle, Delaware. Fourth up is Mr. Stallings and all of those 2nd grade boys in the Boys to Men class at J.L. Francis Elementary in Richmond, Virginia. And our 5th shout out today goes out to TJ and everyone in the Skill Building Program at Eggleston Tanners Creek Adult Day Support in Norfolk, Virginia. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you loved your shoutouts. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated, super spectacular shout out map.
Okay, National Dayers, so I am here at my local community giving garden, and this is such a cool place because it has a bunch of different plots and people can pick their own area and grow whatever they want, flowers, vegetables, fruits, whatever, and they just take care of a tiny little plot. So I'm gonna have a marvelous Monday. I hope you do too, because look at all of the weeds I can pull.